Welcome back to another video with DJ the Rebel. Guys, we are going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime with
The ingredients.
the ingredients will be borax, measuring cup, 1 tablespoon, some glue, and shaving cream, and whatever dye you want. You must get some warm water in the 1 cup of this measuring cup. 1 warm or hot, whatever. And the borax, you add a tablespoon of it. You mix it until it's dissolved. We already got that done. And then you take your glue, you open it up. Usually the glue ain't this hard to open up sometimes. Okay, that got on me. Then you pour it in here.
I don't know that guy. And at this point, I'm thinking, well, there's nothing that's going to put these guys together.
Bubba shall be taking control of this. I need to get this glue off of me. Wipe this off of me. Thank you.
What do you got?
Alright. We got that in. Now you take your shaving cream, just spray all over it. Not too much of it though. If you put too much, you'll ruin it. Then take a spoon, mix it. While you're mixing it, you can add your dye while you mix it. Well, you have to wait till it looks just right to put the dye in.
Add a little bit more shaving cream.
Just a little bit. Not too much though, right? I swear if my wrist doesn't start hurting, I'm gonna be mad.
Green or blue?
We go with blue. Because that's what color people want me to dye my hair.
Why haven't you dyed your hair?
Haven't had the time yet.
I dyed my tongue earlier today. Hold on, watch.
You're so stupid. Alright, whenever you add your dye... Oh gosh, that looks like a squid got in there. Wait, stop. Look how cool that is. If that is cool, comment down below. That is cool, and leave a like if you think that's cool. Oh gosh, I am terrible at holding this. Especially with my wrist being sprained. By the way, guys, I sprained my wrist, so that's why I'm the one holding this. So, yeah, I can't do this. It'll get being... Oh, we gotta add this borax stuff. Just a little bit of it. Just 1. And then you just mix it.
And you see it turn into
Yeah,
slime.
boy! You can already tell it's starting to turn slimy. We've tried other slime experiments before. They did not go so well because we're horrible at making slime until this.
Add a little bit more borax.
A little bit more. Whoa. So amazing. Now, we watch him mix it. Mix it real good. Mix it real good. Yeah. Then you put your hands in there and just like start doing that. And then you get a little bit of borax.
Some borax on top.
And you put it right there. And you just keep mixing it like he's doing right now. And it'll start getting more slimier. Become slime. Maybe we shouldn't get the other slime in the video. Who cares? It's just proof it works.
Throw me a little bit more
Alright.
borax in the bowl.
Is that good? Oh, my bad. See how good it is? Plus, you gotta move your hands fast, or else it sticks to you whenever it's not slime enough. See what he's doing? He's making it move fast so it won't stick to him that much. But once it becomes slime, it will not stick that much. Now I'm gonna add some more borax to it,
No, we don't
or
need
not.
that. Not yet.
Well, it's on there ready.
I still got, dump it out. I already got borax in the bowl. No, dump it back in that.
This.
Okay, I already got some.
And we're doing good on the slime, aren't we? It's basically done. Ish.
Put a little bit of borax, not the whole thing. Alright.
Don't pour the entire cup of borax on it, and that would just end badly. Oh yeah, feels like we're making pizza.
And it's done.
Yep, that's slime-ish.
Touch it. Grab it.
And just a tiny bit. Oh, look at that.
We could use a little bit more borax.
Yeah. This is from previous. Is it good now?
I don't know yet.
We'll find out. Okay, it's about to go off. That's our slime from earlier. As you can see, it's perfect.
And we have some more slime that kind of didn't turn out as good. So.
Yeah, it's just poison, toxic waste by now. Yeah. It used to be perfect slime until he mixed them with others.
Green, red, and blue.
My braces.
Now grab it. Grab it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Perfect slime.
Perfect-ish.
Almost perfect.
No, that's perfect. It's just toxic waste now. You monster. I must have done that. Oh well. It's just a little bit blue. Alright.
Hold up. Here's the first batch.
Yep. Well,
Yellow.
technically this is the first batch.
Well, yeah, but this is the yellow.
Second. Third.
The yellow is the best, but here's the blue. Squeeze it.
This is my lovely nanny. Y'all should say she is one lovely lady, because without her, none of this would have happened. Say hello. Your face ain't in it.
Hello, Devin.
Well, I ain't Devin, I'm DJ, remember?
Hello, DJ.
Well, we're gonna end the video here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if this was helpful and y'all actually got the glue done, y'all have to hit that like button. How about that? Well, I guess we shall end the video. Have a good one.